Only 1 week left for the official unpack event. We pretty much know almost everything about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series. What's up guys, this is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. There have been so many leaks and rumors. In this video we will not discuss only about the spec sheet, but we have two major news to discuss as well. As you know guys, already know that there will be a two variant of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. So first of all, the wireless DeX is confirmed. On Note 20 series, Samsung finally pushed the boundaries for DeX platform. This addition of wireless mode could be the best way to bring DeX back into the public eye. And the second big news, the Note 20 Ultra will be the first phone using Gorilla Glass 7 protection, the toughest Gorilla Glass yet with significant improvement in drop and scratch performance for the first time ever. And it will be actually called Gorilla Glass Victus instead of Gorilla 7. Gorilla Victus can survive drop tests up to 2 meters 6.5 feet on rough hard surface, and it's 2 times more scratch resistant than the Gorilla Glass 6. So let's go and we will check the specs sheet. Note 20 Ultra of course going to be a flagship version. If we will see the front side, the Note 20 series is going to be look like similar to Note 10 series. So we are going to have a square of edges, small top and bottom bezels with a punch out in the center. This punch out is going to be slightly smaller and bezel also slightly smaller. Larger screen to body ratio, 6.9 inch Note 20 Ultra and Note 20 will be 6.7 inch. Both display is Super AMOLED, but on Ultra you are going to get the highest pixel density as well as 120Hz dynamic refresh rate, which will dynamically switch between different refresh rates. Plus you are getting Quad HD Plus resolution, 120Hz at the same time. And the Note 20 will be going to be Full HD Plus resolution. So it's going to be have a lower pixel intensity, not sharper like Note 20 Ultra. Also 60Hz refresh rate, not 120Hz like Ultra version. And if we will talk about the camera setup for the Note 20 is similar to S20 camera setup. And for the Note 20 Ultra we are getting a new laser autofocus with 108 megapixel and 12 megapixel periscope zoom, which will give you 5 times optical zoom and up to 50 times digital zoom, which Samsung called a space zoom. And you are getting 10 megapixel for the selfie camera. So now move for the most controversial specs for the Note 20 series. I know with this news so many people will be sad, because in Korea, China and USA will get the Snapdragon 865 Plus and other countries going to get Exynos 990. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 is already superior than 990. And now this 865 Plus. It's going to be a very controversial. That's all for today friends. So go ahead and tell me in comments below and hit the thumbs up if you like the video. And do not forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of my content. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.